So friends, today I'll discuss a beautiful remedy, a wonderful remedy I will give you to make your mercury strong. You might be thinking, why to make mercury strong? I'll tell you why. So let's go inside. Here there is a lot of noise, so I'll go inside and then we'll talk, okay? Yes friends, now we have come inside. So I'll tell you why Mercury is so important. Mercury, here I'm talking about the planet in astrology, which is called Budh in Hindi. Friends, Mercury is a very important planet because Mercury is the planet of intelligence, the planet of logical reasoning, of business acumen. Yes, friends. So if you really want your Mercury to be strong, then you should do a very good remedy. It's a very simple remedy and you can do that. What is that remedy, friends? I'll tell you. I do that every day. Yes, friends. I feed pigeons every day because pigeons are represented by Mercury. Yes, pigeons, they actually, stand for Mercury, the planet Mercury. So, pigeons, you need to feed pigeons, even parrots. Pigeons and parrots, they come within planet Mercury. If you feed them, you will have a strong Mercury. I do that on a regular basis, friends. As you know, I'm also an astrologer, so I know about these remedies. These are simple remedies which you can do, at your home. And I was just talking to you from the balcony. So at the balcony, they come. There's just a place outside the balcony where a lot of pigeons, they come in the morning and also in the afternoon, and I love to feed them with rice grains. Rice. I give them rice grains, and it's so nice to see. They come in huge flocks. And today morning, today I captured that video of pigeons having rice grains, and I have captured that video, and I will share that footage also in the course of this video. So friends, it's such a wonderful sight. I hope you will like it. Friends, as you saw, the pigeons, they were having rice grains, and it was so nice to see them. I hope you also enjoyed the sight. Friends, do that. Feeding birds is a very good remedy to make certain planets strong and benefic. If you feed pigeons or parrots are not very easily found, but pigeons are found, especially in Maharashtra. You have pigeons everywhere. So whichever bird you find in your locality, try to feed birds. Even crows. If you feed crows, then Saturn and Rahu, these two planets, they will give you very good results. Saturn is your profession, friends, and Rahu is expansion and growth and miraculous growth also. That also Rahu can give you. So, that is why, and Saturn is also obstacles, and even Rahu, they both can create obstacles in life. So if you feed birds, they will become benefics. They will give you auspicious results and they will never create obstacles. So this is a wonderful remedy. If you feed crows, all kinds of birds. I also feed crows. Sometimes crows also come. Today I didn't see them, but sometimes even crows come. Little sparrows, they also come. I feed all birds, friends, whichever bird, comes outside my balcony. I love to feed them, and I do that every day. One day I went out, somewhere, and I was in a hurry, and so in a hurry I forgot to feed them. And then I came back home. It was it was late in the evening, and I was feeling so bad that I could not feed them that day. Then in the evening, it was like almost dark by that time when I returned. But then also I I kept the grain. I brought out some rice grains. I bring it usually in a bowl, and then I just kind of sprinkle them all over, so that they can come and have. So I sprinkled them all over, even in the evening. It was so dark, and I got up early in the morning to find out whether the pigeons had come, or whether any crow or pigeon had come. But then early in the morning when I got up, I saw that the grains were lying just like that. Friends, birds, they are they represent nature, and nature has its own course, its own routine. Nature will, we are sometimes, our schedule may change and all, but nature is so punctual, and they're so routine bound. So it was dark, so you can't expect birds to come in the dark. So next day early morning also I didn't find them, but yeah, thank God. They came at around 8 a.m. in the morning. So 7:30, 8 a.m. From that time onwards, I saw them coming, and then they had. So friends, this was a small thing that I wanted to share with you. This is a regular practice which I do. It gives me so much of happiness, actually, not just because because I want my Mercury to be strong, not only because of that, and not just because I want Saturn and Rahu to give me very good results. That will happen naturally, friends. That is something. You do a good thing, you do a good deed, or some return. Nature also, you give something to nature, nature also gives you in return. So you do something good, something good you may get, but that is not actually something which should impel you to do a good deed. It's not that, but yes, that will naturally come. Planets will become benefics and give you good results. But the very sight, the very sight of the pigeons having the grains, and coming in huge flocks outside my house in the balcony. So that very sight gives me so much of happiness and joy, and so much of peace. It gives me peace of mind. So friends, try that. It's a very good remedy. It will improve your Mercury. Mercury is your business acumen, your intelligence, your logical and reasoning power. Without a strong Mercury, it is very difficult to do any kind of business or to do well in any kind of profession. And Mercury is very important for education, because it is your ability to reason. It is your logical and reasoning power. So friends, please, it is your intelligence. So improve your Mercury by doing this simple remedy. And also, don't discriminate between or among birds. Whichever bird is there, crows, if you feed crows, then also it's very good. Saturn and Rahu, all these planets will improve. So friends, be kind to animals. Even if you are kind to street dogs, yes, you find street dogs, then even Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, even Ketu, all the planets, these planets, otherwise they are considered to be malefics. They can create obstacles in your path. So these planets will turn benefics, and they will turn benefic and beneficial and auspicious, and they will give you good results. They will not create obstacles for you. So be kind to street dogs. That is a very good, feed them with biscuits or whatever you can. So that is a very good remedy for Saturn, Rahu and Ketu, for all these three planets as well. So friends, that's all for today. See you next time with another interesting topic. Hope you liked it. Take care. Bye.